Hey, Barry Buckner here, CEO of GTMA and EvernodeAI. Let's talk about one of the most underestimated places your property can win online, Google Maps. Yeah, that little red pin could be the difference between a booked tour and a missed opportunity. So the question is, how do you win on Google Maps? The answer? AI. Let's get into it. When people search apartments near me or pet-friendly rentals in Charlotte, Google Maps isn't just showing who's closest, it's showing who's most active, optimized, and relevant. And that's where AI comes in. First, AI can automatically generate SEO-rich Google Business posts, keeping your profile fresh with local events, leasing specials, and seasonal content. That activity signals to Google, hey, we're here and we're relevant. Second, AI helps manage and respond to reviews at scale. Want thoughtful, on-brand replies to every review, good or bad? AI makes that possible, saving your team hours while boosting your reputation score. Third, AI can even search for missing image alt tags to keep your images optimized and compliant. Now here's the pro move. Combine that with geo-optimized content from EvernodeAI and your property starts ranking higher, not just in search, but on the map. That's where decisions are made, y'all. All right, I'm Barry Buckner, and if your Google Maps listing isn't optimized to increase local awareness, it's time to activate it with AI, friends. Because in this game, visibility equals velocity. Catch you on the next one.